Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to teach you on how to tie a turban. As you can see, my hair is already up in a bun. That's one of the things you're going to need. You're going to need your hair to be on a high, wide bun. So I'm going to teach you two looks. One look is going to be with my African fabric and the other one's going to be with my regular gray scarf. Yeah, one is with fabric, my African scarf fabric, and the other one is my gray scarf. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's get right into it. For this first look, I'm going to use my African print fabric. You're gonna use most of the fabric towards the back. You're gonna put it like this, and you're going to cross it over like this. And then you're going to do another crossover in the back and you're going to bring it forward. So the first one, you're going to tuck it in on the top in the empty space that's open. This you're going to, and for this one, you're going to bring it towards the bottom in the empty space. Oh my God. In the empty space that's open. This is the first, make sure everything is hidden. This is the first quick and easy way to tie your turban. And for the next look, some people like their turban to look a lot thicker. So what I do, I use both fabrics. So for the second fabric, I use this gray one to go through the same process. I go like this and then I just tie it. Often, sometimes when I'm being lazy, I would just tie it and just leave it like this. This is one nice, simple, like turban look. You can just do one wrap over and leave the excessive fabric behind. Or you can just continue with the same fabric and do another piece of layer to make it look thicker and bigger. Just tuck it right in. And this is the easy way for me to accomplish my turban looks. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe once again if this is your first time on this channel. Bye. See you next time.